sailor who boards ship without a rudder and compass and never knows where he may cast. So we focusing on practical learning, but we have not to forget about the theory, because theory works as the pillar for our education. So before moving further, let me give you an introduction. After that, we are doing practicals for this. Now moving further, as I mentioned you that Yodlee, it's an AI tool which is used for enhancing your communication. For example, this is a dashboard of the Yodlee AI. Next, next. Okay. So what we can do here? Suppose we are making a presentation slides, and we do not know how to prepare and how to deliver it on the public. Then this AI tool will help us in giving our presentation, as well as to practice interview. Like if you are interviewing for a software engineer, we will discuss further about this, but deep down we will brief you that this AI tool can help you in interviews, as well as in presentation, as well as in conversation, either with a friend, either in a company, or either formal, either informal. And you can upload your document, whatever speech, and check the clarity, and whatever the feedback will be given to you, and it works as a good mentor for you also. So here is a sample report of presentation. I would like to ask the audience, the picture you are going on this screen, who is this? Elon Musk. Okay. So we will discuss his given speech on Elon Musk commencement address. We will figure out what are the negative and positive point have been given by Yodlee AI by Elon Musk speech. You are seeing on the screen that the pacing of the Elon Musk speech is 209 word per minute. This is the analytics from the Yodlee AI, as well as he uses 5% filler word, like so, like. These are the filler words. We will go further for this. Next, the top keyword. He uses many times. The keyword is think, and the weak word he use is so. Like we many times as like we use many repetition words. So here Elon Musk speech have so word many time, and this is will be the weak word in his speech. Now moving further. So as you can see, this is the analytics and transcript of that presentation. Suppose he is delivered his speech, the analytics will show what went well. This is a non-inclusiveness. It's a 0%, which is perfectly. We can also check out these things by this AI. I will introduce it further. What could have gone better? What we like to improve in this speech? Suppose repetition 51 times have done by the Elon Musk. Filler words used by 51 filler words used. Weak words used 36. Conciseness 51%. He would like to concise his speech. And sentence starter used with that is 27%. And here is the whole transcript of his speech, which is marked by the sentence filler. Now moving further. So this is an representation of how we can go dive into the interview. Hello. So we have to practice an interview, like you choose a role. Like I have chosen a role of software engineer. I've chosen a company. You can choose many companies: Adobe, Apple, Salesforce, Microsoft, Google. Any of the company you choose. You choose the interview type, that is professional. Video camera has been set up. You have to face the camera, and here is the questions. Like first one is, can you give an example of a time when you had to balance multiple priorities or projects. You have to answer that question and this AI will tell you is that your answer is wrong. क्या ये आपका ये जो AI है वो आपको बताएगा कि आपका ये आंसर, आपका जो इंटरव्यू है, जो भी आपने आंसर दिया है वो एनालिटिकली कितना सही है और उस कंपनी के हिसाब से कितना सही है। ये मेनली इस इंटरव्यू का पूरा प्रोसेस है। चलिए आगे की ओर देखते हैं। सो वी विल लाइक टू प्रेफर कन्वर्सेशन। हम लोग आपस में भी बातचीत करते हैं, दोस्तों से भी बातचीत करते हैं, लेकिन बहुत हद तक हम लोग लैक करते हैं कन्वर्सेशन में। तो ये एआई टूल आपके कन्वर्सेशन में भी हेल्प करेगा। जैसे कि हमें टॉपिक लेंगे, बहुत बड़ी बड़ी बातें करनी है दोस्तों से, छोटी बात करनी है, यहाँ पे मैंने स्मॉल टॉक चूज किया है, छोटी बातें। कॉन्वर्सेशन किसके साथ करना है? फ्रेंड के साथ। वो आप भी सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं, फ्रेंड हो सकता है, रिलेटिव हो सकता है, वो आपका चॉइस है। एंड द थर्ड वन इज फ्रेंडली है, इनफॉर्मल है, किसी भी तरह का कॉन्वर्सेशन कर सकते हैं। तो ये मेनली इस एआई टूल का यूज है। आप प्रेजेंटेशन दे सकते हैं, इंटरव्यू दे सकते हैं, और थर्ड वन इज आप किसी के साथ कॉन्वर्सेशन कर सकते हैं। चलिए अब हम थोड़ा इसको डायरेक्टली दे सकते हैं। आप लोग होप कि आप लोग ने साइन इन कर लिया होगा अपने अकाउंट में, तो आप मेरे साथ कंटिन्यू करेंगे, हमें देखें और